channel. So today we are going to be unboxing LG Smart Inverter Microwave Oven. So this is completely new and we bought it in Walmart for 160 Canadian dollars. So as you can see, it has smart inverter, LED lamp, touch control, stable turntable, antibacterial, easy cleaning coating. So let's open it and see what all the features are inside. Just be careful while using the knife. Put it out and I'll show you the overview. As you can see, I'm gonna remove this cover and pow! So as you can see, it has start and stop on top of the oven, and I'll open and show you. And there is a plus and minus also, and you don't have so much of things going on top of the screen. So let's open. Wow, looks so good. Now let's remove it out. Safety instructions, I guess. And we have our plate inside. Be careful with the knife, guys. So this is the plate that goes in, and round table, and this is the hexagonal ring it has for the support of this round table. And as you can see, it has 6 wheels for the round table to turn. So I really like it. So these are the safety instructions, so make sure you read all of that before you use any of the appliances. And this is something I really love it because this looks amazing, and so versatile. I like it a lot. Let's take this out. Plastic cover over here. Slowly. Yeah. As you can see, inside I have a lot of space. You can use it to defrost. So this much we can cook here, and for reheating purposes we have here these things. You can reheat beverages, casserole, dinner plates, and you can do your pie, pizza, and you can make your popcorn. And for defrosting purposes we have here meat, poultry, fish, bread. So guys, over here you can see they have many of these functions: auto work, auto reheat, and okay, I'll just show you the practical. Okay, let's just plug it in. Oh wow, did you just hear that? It sounds something tune. So that sounds really good. Let's just make a popcorn and show you guys. Okay guys, now I'm gonna make my popcorn and show you. And to set the timer for 3 minutes, you can just this is the touch one, so you can also do like this. If you don't want to do, just keep pressing plus till you reach 3 minutes, or otherwise just do this till you reach 3 minutes. Oh, it's for done. And now I'm gonna put in my popcorn. Just press start. Okay, our popcorn is done. So did you hear the it tunes really good? Just to tell you guys that your recipe is done. Okay, let's see our popcorn. Wow, as you can see, it's totally done. So I think this is something really versatile to have in your kitchen, and I am in love with this thing. And if you also like it, go ahead and buy it if you want. So, and it's like $160 Canadian dollars, as I already told you. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment down below. And if you want to see the reviews on it, stay tuned on my channel for the upcoming videos. I'll share the recipes of using this microwave oven in my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.